I go, you will carry me.
Hi guys, welcome back to AfricanFabs. So today I'm just going to make a very short video to show you how you can tie our beautiful baby carrier or baby wrap as we call them. So let's just get down to the video.
Too much of emotions, sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
You see, like S is cut. See? So to support the baby's neck. And as well to put the baby feet inside. So this is strong enough to hold the baby's neck.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Of course, you can check our website with different colors and different designs of our baby carrier. And I hope to see you guys in our next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.